One evening, the boy came home sad. His eyes were low. He did not speak much. The mother saw this. She sat beside him. She asked him what was wrong. He told her about school. Other children laughed at his old clothes. They said bad words. The boy felt small and weak. The mother listened quietly. Her heart felt heavy. She wanted to cry. But she stayed calm. She hugged him close. She told him that clothes do not show a person's worth. She told him he was strong and kind. Her words stayed in his heart. That night, the mother could not sleep. She thought about her son. She thought about his pain. She wanted to help him more. She looked at her old clothes. She had an idea. She took out a needle and thread. She worked in the quiet night. Her eyes felt tired. Her hands moved slowly. She fixed his clothes. She cleaned them well. She tried her best to make them nice. When she finished, she smiled softly. It was not perfect. But it was made with love. She placed the clothes near his bed. The next morning, the boy woke up early. He saw the clothes. They looked clean and neat. He felt surprised. He looked at his mother. She smiled at him. She said nothing. He wore the clothes and went to school. He walked with more strength. He remembered his mother's words. At school, some children still laughed. But he did not feel as hurt. He felt proud. He felt loved. That love gave him courage. He focused on his lessons. He listened to his teacher. He tried his best. As time passed, the boy grew older. He learned many things. He read books. He wrote stories. His teacher saw his effort. She praised him. The boy felt happy. He went home and told his mother. She listened with joy. Her eyes shone. She felt proud. All her hard work felt worth it. She told him to keep going. She told him never to give up. She believed in him. Her belief was strong. It was like a light in the dark. It guided the boy forward. One winter, the mother became sick. She had a fever. Her body felt weak. She could not work. The house felt cold. The boy saw her pain. He felt afraid. He wanted to help her. He made tea. He cleaned the house. He stayed by her side. The mother smiled at him. She felt thankful. She saw her love return to her. Even in sickness, she felt peace. She knew her son had learned kindness. That was her greatest gift. The boy missed school during that time. He stayed home to care for his mother. He read his books at night. He did not want to fall behind. He remembered his mother's lessons. He stayed strong. Slowly, the mother got better. Her fever went away. She could stand again. She hugged her son. Tears came to her eyes. She thanked him. She told him he was brave. The boy felt proud. He felt closer to her than ever before. Years passed quietly. The boy became a young man. He finished school. He found a small job. He earned his own money. He helped his mother. He bought food. He fixed the house. The mother was older now. Her hair was gray. Her steps were slow. But her smile was still warm. She watched her son grow. Her heart was full. She felt her life had meaning. Her love had grown into something strong and beautiful. One day, the young man got a better job far away. He had to leave home. He felt sad. He did not want to leave his mother alone. The mother saw his fear. She held his hands. She told him to go. She told him to follow his dreams. She said she would be fine. Her voice was calm. Her eyes were kind. She knew this day would come. Love sometimes means letting go. She wanted him to live a good life. The day he left, the mother stood at the door. She watched him walk away. Her heart felt heavy. But she did not cry. She waved and smiled. She prayed for him. The young man looked back many times. He felt her love with him. Even far away, he felt strong. He worked hard. He remembered her words. In hard times, he thought of her. Her love stayed in his heart. It guided him every day. Years later, the young man returned home. He had done well. He had learned much. He opened the old door. The house looked the same. The mother sat in the same chair. She looked up and smiled. Tears filled her eyes. They hugged for a long time. No words were needed. Their hearts spoke. Love had brought him back. Love had never left. It lived in every moment they shared. That evening, they sat together quietly. The sun set slowly. The room felt warm. The young man held his mother's hand. He thanked her for everything. She smiled and said she was happy. Her life was full because of him. In that quiet moment, love filled the air. A mother's love had shaped a life. It had given strength, hope, and light. That love would never fade. It would live forever in the heart.